everyone, how you're doing, lovely Woxians today. Hope everyone's great. I'm ready to hear some great news regarding what? Well, regarding some cool effects I'm gonna show you just now. You know, we've been getting quite a lot of feedback saying, hey, I love these videos, but I want to add my own voice over, and here we go. We've heard your request and turn them into reality. So here we go. You can now add voiceover, just like this, to create a more natural video. So you have your own personal touch, and look at how it's ending. Like,
no matter where in the world you want to go, we can help get you there, because happiness is traveling.
so good! Can't wait to hear all your amazing voiceovers, your personal touches. So let me know how it goes. Have a lovely day. Bye!